Are you a fan of Halloween? So watch this video to the end. For knitting this lovely pumpkin, I use orange yarn for the body part and green yarn for the top piece. Let's start with orange. I get a large piece of yarn for making a slip knot. Because I need extra yarn for the button at the end. I cast on 42 stitches. You can do as many as you want, just notice that the number of stitches should be a multiple of 6. By the way, if you are totally a beginner, watch this recommended video to learn how to cast on. And here it is. I knit the pumpkin in garter stitch, which is the very first stitch any beginner can knit. On this recommended video, you can learn step by step of knitting garter stitches. I don't knit the last stitch. Instead, I pass the yarn to the front and skip my last stitch. In the next row, I keep my yarn in the front and knit the skipped stitch like a purl stitch. And that's the way I knit clean edge with garter stitches. I continue knitting for 36 rows. From now on, I should decrease 6 stitches in every 2 rows. So I divide 42 in 6 and the answer is 7. That means I should decrease 1 stitch in every 7 stitches. Let's count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now for the decrease, I get 6th and 7th stitches. Pass the 6th one over the 7th stitch and knit the remaining stitch. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get 6th and 7th stitches. Pass the 6th one over the 7th stitch and knit the stitch. I continue decreasing to the end of the row. But for the last decrease in the row, I get 5th and 6th stitches and leave the last stitch for knitting clean edge. next row without decreasing. And go to the third row. Here I have 36 stitches, and I should decrease 1 stitch in every 6 stitches. So this time I get 5th and 6th stitches for decreasing. I continue decreasing due to following structure until 12 stitches remain. As you can see, it's shaped round at the top. Now it's time to finish my knitting. I take extra piece of yarn for later and cut it. As you may notice, I used double pointed needles because now I should pass the yarn through all stitches from the last stitch to the first one. When all done, I don't pull the yarn and just leave it for later. Instead, I close the bottom of my knitting by pulling the extra yarn left from casting on through all the stitches from last to first stitch. Then I attach the two edges of the knitting from bottom to the top. And now it's time to fill it with the stuffing. I don't want it to be fully stuffed, but I make sure to put enough stuffing in it to make it soft and flexible. Then I pass the yarn through the pumpkin from top to bottom and start making 6 dents on the pumpkin by passing the yarn over it from bottom to the top. I pull the yarn gently until it hides between the two parts. And here is the last one. As you can see, the main part of the pumpkin is almost done. Before adding the details to the pumpkin, please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you are interested in such these videos, please subscribe my channel and make sure you turn on the bell, not losing any upcoming videos. Thanks for your support. For the top piece of my pumpkin, I cast on 12 stitches with green yarn and knit it in garter stitch. After 4 rows, I decreased 3 stitches, 1 in every 4 stitches. And continue decreasing stitches every 4 rows until just 1 stitch remains. Then I get a large piece of yarn and attach the 2 sides together from top to bottom. I make a stitch in upper part and pull the yarn to give my knitting a curving shape. Then continue attaching to the bottom. When I'm done, I fold up the bottom edge a little and attach it to the top of my pumpkin. For more details, you can make eyes and mouth with felt or leather or any other non-woven cloth. Here I make a happy and a mean face with a black felt for my Halloween pumpkin. Hope you like this video and knit this adorable pumpkin. Please write down in comments which Halloween item you like the most, and I will show you how to knit it easily. Happy Halloween!